One day, a fox became very hungry as he went to search for some food. He searched high and low, but couldn't find something that he could eat. Finally, as his stomach rumbled, he stumbled upon a farmer's wall. At the top of the wall, he saw the biggest, juiciest grapes he had ever seen. They had a rich purple color, telling the fox they were ready to be eaten. To reach the grapes, the fox had to jump high in the air. As he jumped, he opened his mouth to catch the grapes, but he missed. The fox tried again, but missed yet again. He tried a few more times, but kept failing. Finally, the fox decided it was time to give up and go home. While he walked away, he muttered, "I am sure the grapes were sour anyway." As soon as the fox left from there, the grapes fell down off the wall as it was at the edge of it. A monkey who was passing through saw that and ate it. The moral: don't give up too early. It may happen that the next try will make you a winner.